Namaste. So today in this video we are going to discuss on places to visit in Varanasi, which includes temples and attraction, and at the end of the video how to reach Varanasi. So let's begin. Varanasi is also called as Banaras, Kashi, and once upon a time it was called as Anandavani. The city of Varanasi is named after two rivers, Varuna river and Asi river, hence the name Varanasi. There are 84 ghats in Varanasi. The first ghat is Asi Ghat, which is near Asi river, and the last ghat is Adikeshava Ghat, which is near Varuna river. There is a shloka which says, if you visit these places, your spiritual journey to Varanasi is complete. And the sloka goes like this: Vishvesham Madhavam Dundim Dandapanim cha Bhairavam Vande Kashim Guham Gangam Bhavanim Manikarnikam. Here is the 4-day itinerary. All these places are nearby and easily accessible by foot from Kashi Vishwanath temple. Begin your day by visiting Kashi Vishwanath temple. Please note, Sparsh Darshan is available in the early morning and in the evening 3 to 5. The most beautiful Aarti is the Shayan Aarti at 10:30 p.m. Now let's discuss the gate details of Kashi Vishwanath temple. There are 4 gates. For gate 4, head towards Godovlia road. Remember to deposit your electronic devices in the temple trust locker facility, which is free of charge. Pens are not allowed inside the temple. Proceed towards the gate 4 and leave your footwear at the stand upon entering the temple premises. For gate 3, you can go from Manikarnika Dwar, take a right. However, this route is often crowded and narrow, so I do not recommend it. Near gate 3, there is a locker facility provided by the temple trust. Gate 2 is just located beside gate 4. Always ask for directions. As you pass Dundiraj Vinayaka temple, at gate 2 you will find small locker shops where lockers are free if you make a purchase, or you can utilize the temple trust free locker facility. The temple trust locker facility is closed in the early morning and in the late night. Gate 1 is located at Lalita Ghat, accessible by walking along the ghats or by the boat. Walk a few meters where you will find free lockers provided by the temple trust. Gate 2 and Gate 3 are opposite to each other. After visiting Kashi Vishwanath temple, you can visit Dundiraja temple, Vishalakshi temple, Annapurna temple. Spend some time at Lalita Ghat, explore the Nepali temple located nearby, and visit Manikarnika Ghat and Ratneshwar Mahadev temple known as Leaning temple. On day 2, start your day by exploring the places around Tateri Bazaar, including the Kal Bhairav temple, Dandapani temple, Bindu Madhava temple, Gokarna Math, Kashi Math. Witness the Ganga Aarti at 6 p.m. at Dashashwamedha Ghat. Next day early morning, experience the Ganga Aarti at Asi Ghat at 5 a.m. accessible by road or by boat. After Ganga Aarti, take a boat ride from the first ghat to the last ghat of Varanasi, ending at Adikeshav Ghat. Visit Adikeshav temple, a Vishnu temple, and then walk few minutes to Namo Ghat. If time permits, you can also visit Sarnath, which is 30 minutes away from Varanasi. Day 4 serves as a buffer day. Cover any missed places. Similar colored places are grouped together based on their distance. I have detailed videos for all these mentioned places with English subtitles. Check the link in the description. can check the details in the description. I hope you liked this video. Please share it with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to Amchi Vasari. Thank you for watching. Bye.